Hey, welcome back, my humble investors. This is me, ET, and as you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a self-taught investor who likes to talk about great companies. In particular, I love talking about Humbl. Now, today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the news for last week, the price action, and my current position. But most importantly, we're going to talk about the Black Friday sale. Now, that's how we should be responding when Humbl goes on sale for 98 cents. But instead of being all jubilant, what we do, we act like King Kong is after us. Well, I don't know about you, but I know for me, I racked up last week, and especially on Friday. All right, let's take a look at the news for last week, the price action for last week, and I'll show you my current position within Humbl. All right, let's take a look at the news that happened last week as well as the price performance and my current position. Now, the news for last week, really not a lot happened last week. However, they did reveal the new mascot, Kiki. I'm going to be honest with you, I'm not too keen on Kiki, so maybe it'll grow on me in time. But also last week, we signed 3 additional athletes from the track and field division. And we signed U.S. Track and field athlete Michael Norman, U.S. track and field athlete Ryan Krauser, and then we signed somebody from Jamaica track and field, Sally Ann Fraser Price. So, hey, all of you guys, welcome aboard. Now, the price action for last week, here we go. There's a five-day chart, which we'll talk about. But on Friday, it opened up at 96 cents, closed at 98 cents. That's good for a Friday, but for the week, it didn't look too good. If you look at the volume on Friday, we were about half of what the 10-day average was. The 10-day average was 6.4 million. We closed on Friday at 3.4 million. And for the week, as you can see, it's another declining week. The last 5 days, the 5 trading days of last week saw another decline. This here is a side-by-side of Humbl with against Forwardly, bottom line, same results. Both of these had declining weeks over the course of the last 5 trading days. Now let's take a look at the short trading. All right, here's the short volume ratio. On Friday, it was at 48%. And as you know, anything above 20 is considered high. But if you notice here, look at the overall volume, just which we already talked about, but the volume was definitely down on Friday compared to the rest of the previous days. Now, on the Lion.com report, Humbl is still within the top 10 of the most searched stocks within the last 72 hours. I think we're number 7 right there. Last week was a busy week. As you can see, I added another 1,000 shares to my overall position. I am now up to 6,535 shares. Adding those shares at those prices, it's dollar cost average down my cost basis. My cost basis now is $1.86 a share. However, we're still down 47% when it comes to Humbl and 54% when it comes to Forwardly. Not a problem. I'm looking at this as a Black Friday sale because next week I'm going to continue to buy more and drive down my cost basis. This here is a summary of my Humbl Financial cryptocurrency experience. experiment. As you know, I'm in block 3, block 5, and my block 3 is down 42%. Block 5 is down 38%. Here's the week by week uh, comparison of the performance of that cryptocurrency with Humbl Financial. I started off with an initial investment of $1,000. As you can see, the first 3 weeks, not a problem. I was above that line. After that, we've been down ever since. I've got 2 weeks left in this experiment, and we'll see how I'll move forward when it comes to cryptocurrency. I understand that the overall cryptocurrency market is taking a beating right now, and this is nothing more than a representation of that. So we'll see in a couple of weeks. We'll see how this all shakes out. Hey, Humble Nation, I need you guys to do me a really big favor. Make sure that you hit that like, subscribe, and notification buttons. That'll really help out the channel. Thanks a lot. That's right, I added 1,000 shares to my position in Humbl last week. So far for the month of July, I've added 1,950 new shares, driving down my cost basis. And I'm looking forward to this coming week where I can load up again and further drive down my cost basis. With all that being said, guys, I will see you next Sunday, if not sooner. Take care. Bye-bye.